Disclaimer warning. On February 15, 2024, my dad was driving on the freeway in Taiwan. But suddenly, the next happened. Here's for the slow motion. The driver saw the black car was immediately back on the lane. Unfortunately, it's just a little hit. If you can hear this sound. Luckily, nobody was injured. Here's for the car crash accident's reason. 1. Improper lane change. 2. I don't know if my dad has turned on the turn signal. If you saw my dad turn on the signal or not, comment down below. The black car has been got hit after, then they are just immediately exited the freeway and the conversation's car crash accident. Pictures car crash accidents after them, they are lived.